All right, everybody. So we are going to set up our portfolio site. You can pause this video as much or as little as you need and follow along with whatever works for you. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the waffle. That's actually what it's called. I'm not making that up. And you're going to click on sites. Okay. So I don't have any sites yet. I'm going to go to create. And then I'm going to create new sites. Has more options. Now, my title page is going to be my name. So obviously you're going to put your name. Okay, Katie Began for portfolio, and then it changes it to my title. We are going to add a picture later. You're going to take your professional photo in Miss Beckham's class. When you're ready to add it, you would just go to insert and then go to images. And then you would upload the picture. Very simple. And then you're going to put it, I believe, right down here. Okay. Right now we're just going to set up all of our different pages. So go to pages. And then this little plus sign. The first one is going to be my employability. Technically it's not a real word, but we use it. And then you're going to put 9th grade. Make sure you capitalize. Done. Add another page. My employability, 10th grade. This is for next year, obviously. Okay, then resume and application. And then cover letter. Okay. Then you click done. So we've set up all the different pages. Right now we're going to go to my employability 9th grade. Do you see how it's not formatted correctly? The Y is all cut off. All you have to do is kind of click and these little blue dots show up. You can just stretch it out. See how much better that looks? You can have freedom when it comes to these kind of things. So maybe you like it to be 2 lines instead of 3. That's totally fine. But you need to go through to each page and fix it and make it look the same. So if you like the 2-line look, if you like the 3-line look, whatever works for you, but make sure you do it on every single one. Obviously, resume, application, and cover letter are all going to be fine. There you go. So like a single line. It just kind of has a cleaner look when you do it like that. The next thing we're going to do is see how this is kind of messy. Like if somebody's just glancing at your page, they're just going to think you have these 2 things and they may not click more. The way to fix that is you're going to go to this little navigation settings, and navigation mode, you're going to switch it to side. So now it looks much cleaner. And then we have all of our different things. So it looks a lot more professional. All right. So now you're going to go to your 9th grade employability. We're going to insert a section. So we're going to insert text box. And then it's going to be relevant employability skills. What I like to do is I like to make it bold so that it pops out a little bit better. And then you're going to enter in this stuff later. We're just setting up the layout now. You're going to go do another text box, and then you're going to put info graphic. And we're going to highlight that again. Make it bold. Now, if I just look at this page, it's kind of boring. And there's no way to see a separation between these two. So what I do is I click on it, and then I go to section background, click on that, and I'm going to kind of change the background colors to my liking. So see how it's a little gray, and then this one's white. That way it can clearly be seen that they're different pages. Another thing that you can do to add some character to your page so it's not boring is go to themes and you can change it. Now, let me be honest, you want to make sure that it's still professional looking. Yes, you can add your own flair to it, and that's totally fine, but you don't want to get crazy because you don't want to take away from the information. And if I have like all this color and pizzazz and pictures and exciting things, what that shows to your potential employer is that you're really good at making a page, but it doesn't show your skills that are relevant to the job. So throughout the next couple of months, you are going to be adding all different types of things to this. So you want to make sure this stays nice and clean and that you're adding things in the appropriate section. So we'll be coming back to this. But as for now, you have your first portfolio all set up. Since it's in Google Drives, it is all ready for you, and you don't need to do anything else but click publish. All right. And we are all good to go.